Welcome to Gdansk, a beautiful historic city on the Baltic coast. From its famous amber treasures to the stunning views along the Motlawa River, let's discover this gem together. This is the crane, a medieval port crane and one of the most famous symbols of Gdansk's maritime history. We begin our walk at Long Market, the vibrant heart of Gdansk's old town. Mariaka Street is the most atmospheric street in Gdansk, known for its beautiful terraces and historic architecture. It is also known as the world capital of amber. Here, you can find unique handmade treasures crafted from Baltic Sea amber. A must-visit in Gdansk is the Artist's Court, home to one of Europe's tallest medieval tiled stoves. Don't miss the Prison Tower, a medieval prison located right next to the main gate leading to Długa Street. Step inside the Amber Museum and discover why amber is called the gold of the Baltic. Inside St. Bridget's Church, you'll find one of the world's most unique amber altars, a true masterpiece of Baltic craftsmanship. The Gdansk shipyard is a historic birthplace of the Solidarity movement, marked by iconic industrial cranes and a striking monument. From the historic shipyard, we move towards the port, where ships and ferries connect Gdansk with the Baltic Sea. Gdansk is one of the most beautiful cities in Poland and Europe. It's a place full of history, unique architecture, and unforgettable atmosphere. If you are traveling through Poland or Europe, Gdansk is truly worth visiting. It's a city that stays with you long after you leave.